Sony just shocked the smartphone world. Sony is about to drop a smartphone that nobody has seen coming. The new Xperia VIII Mark 8 is launching next week, but here's the crazy part. There are zero leaks about its design or specs. So what exactly is Sony hiding? And could this be the biggest surprise Xperia launch of 2026? The next Xperia is officially coming on August 25th, and somehow, Sony has managed to keep the entire phone a secret. No renders, no specs, no major leaks, nothing. But we may already have one huge clue about the Xperia VIII Mark 8. Welcome to Science and Knowledge, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well to get the latest updates for our future videos. Sony Xperia VIII Mark 8 official presentation will held next week. Brands are returning from vacation and scheduling presentations one after another. Sony has announced the launch date for its next smartphone, which will take place on Tuesday, August 25th. It's worth noting that the company is developing the smartphone in utter secrecy. There are currently no leaks about either the device's specifications or design. Nothing. But we may already have one huge clue. Finally, the new Sony Xperia 10 has appeared on the Geekbench benchmark database. The Sony XQ-GH54, which is expected to launch as the Xperia 10 Mark 8, appeared with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, alongside 8 GB of RAM. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 was announced back in 2024 and is the same chipset at the helm of last year's Xperia 10 Mark 7. The new Xperia 10 Mark 8 managed 871 points in the single-core test and 3128 in the multi-core department. So we have a good estimate of what to expect in terms of performance. Here are the key phone specifications of the new Sony Xperia 10 2026 smartphone. The smartphone is expected to launch with a 6.1-inch OLED screen, Full HD Plus resolution, a 5000 mAh non-removable battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, Android 16 operating system, a triple rear camera setup, an 8-megapixel front selfie camera. For durability, the smartphone will have IP68 dust and water resistance. For connectivity, it will have 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4 and a headphone jack. The new Sony Xperia 10 Mark 8 will launch on August 25th, and the expected price of the smartphone will be around $550. For more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. For our future videos, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well.